Are you tired of a kitchen that feels more like an appliance graveyard? Between the toaster, the air fryer, and that bulky slow cooker, there's no room left to actually cook. Meet the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. This isn't just another toaster oven, it's a 13-in-1 powerhouse designed to reclaim your counter and revolutionize your cooking. Whether you're a busy parent or living in a tiny home, this is the versatile hero your kitchen has been waiting for. What makes it smart? It's the Element IQ system. With 6 independent quartz heating elements and smart algorithms, the oven moves power exactly where it's needed for precise, even heat. No more cold spots. Plus, with the Super Convection setting, you're getting maximized airflow. This reduces your cooking time by up to 30%, giving you that perfect golden brown crispness on everything from fries to roasted vegetables without the weight. We're talking 13 functions: toast, bagel, broil, bake, roast, warm, pizza-proof, air fry, reheat, cookies, slow cook, and dehydrate. And don't let the countertop label fool you, it's massive. The 1 cubic foot interior fits a 9x 13-inch pan, a 12-cup muffin tray, or even a full 14-pound turkey. It's large enough to be your primary oven, but smart enough to handle a single bagel perfectly. But don't just take our word for it. With over 12,000 global ratings and a 4.4-star average, users are obsessed. Because of the build quality, people are replacing their traditional ovens entirely because this preheats faster and doesn't heat up the whole house. Ready to master your kitchen? The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is available now on Amazon. Stop settling for average meals and cluttered counters. Click the link in the description to check the latest price and join the 10,000 people who upgraded their kitchen this month alone.